Hi everyone, welcome to this video with Cisco Packet Tracer. Today I'm going to do a video and I'm going to be creating a network, but I'm going to be using two switches. In the last video I showed how to create a network just using one switch. So what I'm going to do, I'll click here on switches and I'm going to use two 2960 switches. So I'll use one there and put one here, and to connect the two of these switches I'll use a crossover cable. So you click on this here and then you want to click here on Gigabit Ethernet 01, and then we click here, and here we click on Gigabit Ethernet 01. So what we'll do now, we'll add a few devices. So I'll add a server and use 3 desktops. And to connect these I use a straight through cable here, or J45 Ethernet. So I click here on the server and I connect it here to Fast Ethernet 01. Do the same again for these machines. So I click here Fast Ethernet 02. Click here Fast Ethernet 03. And I click here on Fast Ethernet 04. So I'll move this switch over here, and now we'll add 3 laptops. So I put one there, one here, and another one there. And now I'm going to connect these, and I'll use a straight through cable, Fast Ethernet, and I connect that to Fast Ethernet 01. Now we'll do the same for the other two. And I go click here on Fast Ethernet 03. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to assign each of these an IP address. So I go here on desktop and IP configuration, and I go 192.168.0.1 and a subnet mask of 255.255.255.0, and now I assign IP for the rest of the machines. And what I want to do next, now after each of the machines now has been assigned IP address, so what I want to do now, I just want to show you how it looks in the physical topology. So we click here on physical, I click here on home city, I click on corporate office, and I click here on main wiring closet. And you can see this is how it looks physically. So here we have our rack server and 2 switches. So I go back here to logical. So what I'm going to do now, I just check the IP address on this. All I have to do is just click on it and I go IP configure, so it's 192.168.0.7. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to ping this laptop, and I'll do it from this server here. So I go ping 192.168.0.7 and I hit enter. And you can see here I've gotten a reply from the laptop of the IP address 192.168.0.7. So what I'm going to do now is we'll go into click simulation mode with that video over there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to send a ping request from the server to the laptop, and I'll use it through traffic generator. So I'll put in the destination IP address, which is 192.168.0.7, and I'll put in TOS. I'll leave that as 0. Here I'll put in 25. I'll put in 20 periodic. I'll go 15 seconds. I'll go here to send, and then I click on this button here. So you can see here now the server has sent a ping request. It's gone to the switch, and now it's going to the other switch, the second switch, and now it'll go to laptop 2. And then the laptop will send a ping request back through switch 1. It'll go to switch 0, and then it'll go back to the server. So now to watch that over again, click on this button here, click the back arrow, and here then we click on play. So now we can see it went from the server to switch 0 to switch 1 to laptop 2. And now it's going back to laptop, going from laptop 2 back to switch 2. It'll go to switch 0 and then back to the server. And then to stop it, then just click this button here. So I'm going to leave it here today for this video. If you found this interesting, please hit the like button, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.